Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 25 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. So as you all know, yesterday I slept late. That was at 11 o'clock. So I could not wake up at 4 o'clock. I had kept the alarm to wake up. I tried also, but I could not. My eyes were just not opening. So I slept in. Then my mom, she came and woke me at 7:30. There was like an important puja of my and my brother at one temple, so we had to reach over there at 10 o'clock. So she came and woke me. After waking up, I drank warm water and then folded my laundry. Then I took out the clothes that I planned for wearing to the temple, and I went to help my mom to do the breakfast because even she had to come with us, so it was getting late. So I went to help her. Then I also helped her in making a garland. Then I had the breakfast and then I went to bath. I got ready quickly as we were just getting late. So I got quickly ready. My mom, she left first, and then she told me and my brother to come back. So I got ready quickly. Then I told my brother to get ready fast. Then we went together. Then till 2:30 we were over there only. We had our lunch also over there in the temple itself. Then I came back and I spoke for 1.5 hours to my boyfriend. Yeah, and that's the time went quickly. They never realized. Okay, after that I went on because I was lying down in my bed and speaking, so I went in that rest mode, and I started to then scroll through my phone and did not even realize that I was wasting my time. I had not even changed into my clothes. So after 1 hour, I was no, time has happened. I got up and then I changed and set to do the work. Then I had my dinner, then I did the prayer. I watched TV for some time and then I slept at 9 p.m. So I actually got very sleepy because I slept late and then got up also kind of early. So I was started feeling very sleepy by 8 o'clock, like that. So then I it was quite late, and I had to do other things also. So by 9 o'clock I went to sleep. So that is how the day 25 ended. Yeah, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.